If you work in finance, you already know there are so many tasks we repeat every single month. One of the most common ones is downloading bank statements from the bank portal and then spending time formatting them again and again. You don't need to do this manually every month. With Power Query, you can automate the entire process. Power Query records all your steps: cleaning, formatting, removing rows, removing columns, splitting data, everything. So next month, instead of redoing all that work, you simply import the new month's file and Power Query will apply all the steps automatically. Your formatted statement will be ready in seconds. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up so you can save time, avoid errors, and make your month-end process a whole lot smoother. Let's get started. So we have here three files: bank statement month 1, bank statement month 2, and a new workbook. I will open new workbook. I will go to the data tab, get data. From file, I will go to from Excel workbook. I will import this month statement, bank statement month 1. So it will show by default all the sheets which are in the workbook. Here we have one sheet. So this is the sheet I want to work on. I will select it and I will click transform data. You can see the data in the raw form is imported. The Power Query records all the steps here on the right side. So whatever I will do, it will keep recording it. So I want to remove these top rows, almost 25 rows. So I will click here, remove rows. I will put 25. Okay. So it removed the rows. And next step, I want to make first row as the header. So I will click this option here. The next step is to ensure that all the data is proper format. So the first column is date. It is already in the date format. This calendar icon is showing that the data is in date format. The next column is in text format. You can see it is written here. ABC, it is showing it is in text format. And the next column, debit, credit, and balance. These are in decimal numbers. I want to make it in currency, so I will select currency. So here it is already recorded. So I want to finish it. Now I will apply close and load option. You can see the bank statement is properly formatted. Now I can save it. Now, if we are in the next month, what we will do, we will just make a copy of this previous file. We will rename it. Okay. We will click data. We will click queries and connections. We will double click here. It will open Power Query Editor. Now, in the source, we have to click gear option. Okay. And then we will select bank statement 1, 2. That's it. If I click close and load, see, it formatted the next month statement in seconds. So this is a very powerful tool, and this is not only limited to finance or not only limited to bank statement. You can apply in every task where you have to do repetitive steps every month or every week. You can do it through Power Query. You can save all the steps and then you can apply it to the new file. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.